Is your closet a mess? It's okay, mine is too. Today, I'm going to be cleaning out my closet. Hopefully this video will give you motivation to declutter yours too. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do an extreme closet clean out. The main reason I'm doing this video is not because I have too many clothes, even though I kind of do, but it's mainly because I lately have been buying a lot of things that I don't love and just keeping things that I don't love, and I want to stop doing that. So I think without further ado, let's just get straight into this video. I'm going to start off by showing you guys everywhere that I keep my clothing. So the first place that my clothing goes is in my closet. I keep clothing here, and then I have like some little baskets that have other types of clothing in them. And then there's this side as well that has even more clothing. This is my dresser. I have 5 drawers in it, but only 4 of them have clothing. So there it, ow. I just scratched myself. So there's that. I think that we should just go ahead and get started. So on this side of my closet is where I keep all of the short sleeves and like tank tops and all of that stuff. I'm gonna be keeping this and this. Okay, I think we have run into the first item I'm gonna be getting rid of as it just doesn't fit me super well. I'm gonna be keeping this. I love this top, but it's way too small on me. I don't know, I'm just not feeling it. I've had this top for like 2 years now and it actually still fits me and I love it. Keep. I absolutely love this top. I think this might be my favorite tank top. I have not been wearing it a lot lately because it's like winter, but when it is the right weather, I wear this all the time. Keep. This top is so cute. Like, look how cute that is. Keep. And obviously I do have some stuff that's like in the laundry, but I know I'm gonna be keeping that stuff because that means I wore it recently. Y'all, my hand's literally bleeding from where I scratched it earlier. This top I'm gonna keep, although this top I'm gonna keep. It's actually really bad quality. It's from Amazon, but I'm just gonna keep it because I love sleeping in this. I literally got this top like a week ago. I didn't try it on before I got it because it was from Goodwill, and it's literally so cute on me, but it's way too tight. Keep. Now we've condensed the tank tops, we're gonna move on to crop tops. I'm gonna be keeping both of these tops even though they're literally like basically the same top. I wear these both so much and these are kind of like staples for me. Keep. This top I've been holding on to for a while even though it doesn't fit me super well. The reason I've been keeping it is because I bought it from Annie Long, who's one of my favorite YouTubers, but I am gonna be getting rid of it. I've had this top for 3 years now. When I originally got it, it was like bigger on me, but now it's like a really fitted top, but it still fits me and looks good, so I think I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna be getting rid of this top. Keep. I'm gonna be getting rid of this. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep this top. I know like half of my school has this shirt, but I actually really love it. I love this shirt. I'm gonna keep this shirt. I feel like I should only keep one of these because these tops are like really similar. I'm gonna put these over there and I'm gonna try them both on later and see which one I like better. I'm gonna keep this top. I love this shirt. This top is so comfortable, so I'm gonna be keeping it. I got this top recently and I love it. I think it's time to let go of this top. This is when I was in my car shirt phase. I'm not really feeling this top, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Same with this one. This one I love. I'm gonna keep this. I'm obviously gonna keep both of my Billie merch shirts. I'm going to a Billie Eilish concert in April and I'm so excited. I'm gonna keep this. I'm going to keep this. And I'm gonna keep this shirt just because, like, you know, how cute is this? And then obviously the shirt I have on I'm keeping. Now we're gonna go to the other side of my closet and go through that. On this side of my closet I keep everything long sleeve, sweatpants, dresses, and skirts. So let's go through all of that. Keep. I'm gonna keep both of my gray hoodies because I love both of them and I wear them both a lot. One of them's like fitted and one's oversized. Keep. I love this shirt. I'm gonna try this on later because I kind of forgot this was in my closet, but I don't know how it looks on me. Keep. I love this top. Keep. I love this hoodie. And I'm going to be keeping this sweater. The reason I kept literally like all of these but one is because, I mean, it is winter, so most of these tops are like new and I just got them recently, so I like all these tops. I absolutely love sweatpants. but I don't think I need 5 pairs of them. Getting rid of. I'm gonna keep these. I'm gonna keep these. I'm gonna keep these. And I'm gonna keep these. So, I mean, I only got rid of 1 pair of sweatpants, but I think it's fine. We have this jumper thing, and I love this, so I'm keeping it. We have my winter formal dress, and I'm keeping that. I'm gonna be getting rid of this, as it literally doesn't fit. I'm gonna be keeping this dress because I love it. This dress is literally so cute, so I'm keeping it. And this is my homecoming dress, so I'm also keeping this. I am going to be keeping this skirt, keeping this skirt, keeping this skirt, and keeping this skirt. I love all my skirts. Now let's go back to the other side and go through the little containers I had. So I literally don't know what's in half of these, so let's go through them. These are my bathing suits. And I literally don't have many bathing suits at all, and I love all my bathing suits, so I'm gonna keep all these. These 2 are shoes, and I actually went through my shoes recently, so I'm gonna keep those. Okay, these are like sleeping tops. I'm gonna get rid of this top that I got in my Halloween vlog just because it has a hole in it. I would say it's time to get rid of this. Get rid of this, and I'm gonna be getting rid of this. So I literally got rid of everything in here, so that's good. Like, I'm not gonna go through everything up there. I do not have time for that today. The only drawers to go through are my 2 that are down here. This one right here is denim. I have these brown jeans from Goodwill that I'm gonna keep because they're so cute. These are my Paxton jeans that have little paint splatters on them, and I think they're really cute, so I'm keeping them. I have no clue what size these are, so I'm gonna try them on. I love this pair of jeans, but look what happened. The hole has like ripped. It's just not fun when I wear them because they keep ripping, so I'm gonna get rid of these. I am gonna keep these, and I'm gonna keep these. So now that drawer is done, this drawer down here is all of my pants that are not denim. We have these little sleeping shorts, and I love these, so I'm keeping them. I'm obviously keeping my Hollister Christmas pants because these are so comfy. These are really ugly, but I wear them when I work out, so I'm keeping them. I think it's time to get rid of these Nike Pros. They're literally so small on me. I'm gonna get rid of these little shorts that have like a little bow. I'm gonna keep these pants because I love them. This is my favorite bottom that I own, and they're from Goodwill. I love them. I'm gonna keep these pants. They're like little flare pants, and I'm keeping them just because they look really cute on me. And I'm also gonna get rid of these Nike Pros. Now my whole dresser's complete, and we have a bunch of clothing on the floor that I need to put away. Are you guys ready to see my bed? Literally everything I'm getting rid of, I threw onto my bed. That's a lot of clothing. Look at all of this stuff I'm getting rid of. Okay, I'm gonna start literally just by getting everything off of hangers. Now I need to sort this all, but I think I just got a text that my Girl Scout cookies were delivered. Eee! Let's go get my Girl Scout cookies. Now that we got my Girl Scout cookies, I'm in such a good mood. I'm gonna sort all these clothes into 3 piles. The piles that I'm gonna make are donate, sell, and try on. So this pile is my stuff that I'm gonna try to sell. This pile that is the stuff I'm gonna donate, and this is the pile I need to try on. So let's first go through the pile of stuff that I need to try on and see what I want to do with it. First up, we have this top and these shorts. So I actually really like the way these shorts fit, so I'm gonna be keeping them. And this top is really cute, so I'm gonna be keeping it as well. So this top, I think I'm probably gonna get rid of, and this jacket, I also think I'm gonna sell this. So I'm actually gonna keep these shorts on for now because I'm like burning hot, and this is just the top that I was wearing earlier. But now I need to put everything back into its place.
It's been a long time.
Yes, ma'am. A lot of water under the bridge.
Some of the old songs.
Yes, ma'am.
Look how many extra hangers I have now. That is crazy. Oh, I just mixed the piles. This is now what everything looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as I've been filming it for the past 2 hours. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.